Hi everyone, my name is Kate, welcome back to my wondernetting channel. Today we're gonna crochet some very simple yet super cute heart-shaped keychains. As you can see, they are quite puffy and look really adorable. You can easily wear them on a bag like this, attached to the zipper. I also have this crocheted bag, and for that one you can make a longer strip so the heart hangs down nicely. You can also wear them on your keys. These little keychains are perfect to make for yourself, your friends, or all your loved ones. I even thought that these could work really well as little toys or rattles for babies. And here's another fun idea. Instead of stuffing them with regular filling, you can use dried herbs. Let me explain what I mean. When I was a child, my grandma used to make small pillows filled with mint, lavender, and similar herbs. We used to sleep next to them because they gave off a pleasant aroma that helped calm our nervous system. So I think these hearts would be a great option for making little scented pillows using aromatic herbs. They are really easy and quite quick to crochet, even a beginner can handle them. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of interesting and fun tutorials for you that I'm sure you'll enjoy. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and give this video a like. It really helps with promoting the video and makes it easier for others to find. I'd be really grateful. Now let's get started. We will need any kind of yarn. I'll be using cotton, but you can use absolutely any type, thin or thick. The thickness of yarn will determine the size of your heart. I'll be using thin cotton yarn. I have this white one and also pink one. You can also use these little keychain pieces. I'll be using 2.5mm crochet hook, but you should use the hook side that matches your yarn. Also, we'll need scissors and needle. The heart pattern we're about to crochet isn't my own design. I'll be using a pattern created by another crafter. I'll leave a link to her work in the description below the video. So we'll be using her heart pattern as a base, and then we'll decorate it and make it our own perfect version. At first, start with chain of 6. From the second loop from the hook, start crocheting 5 single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull it out and crochet 2 loops on the hook. Then make chain 1, turn your work, and from the second loop from the hook, it's our first stitch. Start crocheting with increase, make 2 single crochet into the first stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and into the last stitch make an increase again, 2 single crochets into 1 stitch, like this. Then make chain 1 and turn your work. Again, from the second loop from the hook, it's our first stitch. Start with an increase, 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, then crochet 5 single crochets, and into the last stitch make an increase again. Chain 1, turn your work. Into the first stitch, make an increase, 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then crochet 7 single crochets and finish with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work and start with 10 single crochets and finish the row with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, start with an increase and then crochet 11 single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work, and we're gonna start with the decrease. Insert your hook into the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out, insert your hook into the second stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out. You have 3 loops on the hook, crochet them together. It's a decrease. Then crochet 10 single crochets and finish this row with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, start this row with an increase, 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then crochet 10 single crochet, and with last 2 stitches make a decrease. My last 2 stitches, grab the yarn, pull it out, then insert the hook into the last stitch, grab the yarn, pull it out, and crochet 3 loops together. It's a decrease. Chain 1, turn your work, start this row with a decrease again, then crochet 10 single crochets, and finish with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, start with an increase into the first stitch, then crochet 10 single crochets and finish with a decrease with 2 last stitches. This row is our middle heart row. This is what half of the heart looks like. Now we're going to crochet the exact same second half. Chain 1, turn your work, start with an increase into the first stitch, then crochet 10 single crochets and finish with a decrease with 2 last stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, start with a decrease, then crochet 10 single crochets and finish with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, start with an increase into the first stitch, then crochet 10 single crochets and finish with a decrease. Chain 1, turn your work, start with a decrease, then crochet 10 single crochets and finish with an increase into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, crochet 11 single crochets and finish with a decrease with the 2 last stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, start with a decrease and then crochet 10 single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work, start with a decrease, then crochet 7 single crochets and finish with decrease again. Chain 1, turn your work, start with a decrease, then crochet 5 single crochets and finish with decrease again. And the last row, chain 1 turn your work, start with a decrease, then crochet 3 single crochets and finish with decrease again. And now you can make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Here's the heart we've made. Now you need to crochet a second one just like it, and next we're going to decorate it with lines. Take a second color of yarn, make a slip knot and insert your hook somewhere at the bottom of the heart. Pull the loop out, and now we're gonna crochet lines on the heart using slip stitches. I'll be making mine diagonally. Then just insert your hook a bit higher in the next row, grab the pink yarn, pull it through and make a slip stitch. Continue like this to create a full line. You can lay the yarn over diagonally as a guide to help keep the line straight. At the very end, make one last slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now we need to crochet 3 more lines, just like this one. You can use the width of your crochet hook to space the lines evenly, so they are approximately the same distance apart. Here's how mine turns out. 4 lines, you can make 3 or even more, depending on spacing you choose. Now we need to make diagonal lines in the opposite direction. I'm also measuring the distance using the width of my hook and repeating the same steps. Sometimes I insert the hook right into the middle of the stitch from the previous lines we made. This is how it should look. You don't need to hide all the ends because we're going to hide them inside the heart. You'll need to repeat the same steps with the second heart half. Now we have 2 finished halves. Place them together, wrong side facing each other, and we'll join them using single crochets. Start from this corner, insert your hook through matching stitches on both parts, grab the white yarn, pull through and make chain 1. Then insert the hook into the same stitch again and make single crochet. Continue working with single crochets all the way around the edge of the heart and try to hide in all the pink yarn ends as you go and pull them tight so everything stays neat outside. When you have just one side left to finish the heart, go ahead and stuff it with toy stuffing. In my case, I'm using leftover yarns since I don't have any stuffing on hand. Then just finish crocheting the heart closed. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the pink yarn again, make chain of 3 and in the same stitch crochet 4 double crochets. And now into each stitch along the edge of the heart, crochet 5 double crochets into each stitch. If you want the edge to look a bit less lacy, a bit less ruffles, you can crochet 3 double crochets into each stitch instead. Into the first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn, and the last step is to either attach a keychain clasp or make a loop yourself. Just crochet a chain of air loops using slip stitches and attach it with a slip stitch to the heart. View in all the ends and your keychain is ready. You can make this in all sorts of colors and they look super cute. Honestly, I'm in love with them and I'd love to make a whole pillow using the same technique. I think it would turn out so pretty. If you'd like to try making a pillow, I recommend using very thick yarn, maybe like a t-shirt yarn. Crochet with chunky yarn and turn it into a soft, puffy pillow. I'm definitely going to make one like that in the future. Let me know in the comments what do you think about these keychains. Do you like it? And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, kitties!